I was asked to speak today on a topic which some of you might think is a rather depressing topic, complications. And yes, it's a depressing topic, of course, because we don't like complications in our practice. But by the same token, how do we learn if we don't learn from mistakes and problems? And we heard this from our second speaker today regarding this. So, although it might appear to be negative to begin with, we need to take a positive spin from it. So I'd like you to put that perspective in your minds as you listen to my presentation today and some of the data that I will present to you. I'd like to start off my presentation with this quotation, which comes out of the third ITI treatment guide that I had the distinct pleasure of writing with Professor Danny Boozer. And he said, or we said, I should take some credit for this, that the aim of treatment is to provide a predictable long-term outcome with minimal risk to our patients. So that's where we start off. That's the philosophy of the ITI. That's why evidence-based treatment is so important. And when you don't have strong evidence, then we must rely on a consensus of experts, not just individual expert opinion. So with that premise, I'd like you to look at another quotation. This comes from Atul Gawande, a very, very well-known general and endocrine surgeon in the United States. And he is best known as a best-selling author of this book called The Checklist Manifesto, a great book to read if you want to try and reduce complications in your practice by setting up checklists for systems and procedures. Of course, that is a completely different lecture and a completely different topic. But he says, no matter what measures are taken, as doctors, we will sometimes falter, we will sometimes have mistakes.